To use live mirror in Plasticity correctly, do this. So let's assume you want to mirror this juicy little thing. First thing first, you need to be sure that all your objects that you want to mirror are in the group. Because if they're not in the group and you are going to make them instances, it's not gonna work. Next, we are going to click on the group and press F and select Create Instance. If you don't have this thing, just type Create Instance and left click it. Here we have it, just a mesh as the instance. Now scale it in the opposite direction. So S and change the number here on -1. Right click and apply. That's your live mirror. Let me make the things a little bit more juicy. So I will take these guys and put them in the group and call them all mesh. This guy I will call mesh parts. And this one is the mirror, mesh mirror. Let it be like that. And now, for example, let's assume I want to have a little cut over here. Create a circle, press C, and right click to apply. Here I have that. Here's my little thing, and it's inside of that group. Can make it like this, and edit that like this, and that. And you see what I mean. Live mirror is just amazing tool. If you want to see this thing there, you can just drop it here like that. Work anything, curves, meshes and stuff like that. You get the idea. But let me show you more examples that will let you squeeze all the possibilities from that tool. For example, I will create some sort of a button. Click here and do a Shift D. So it creates the face. And it's outside of the group. I'm gonna do next. F and do a thicken. Boom. And let's do it like that. Let it be like this. And now, to actually have that thing over there, I will take it and drop it inside of the group mesh parts. So we have ourselves nice two buttons that we can edit and see edits in live mode. But I want to make the middle one unique. So for example, let's try to make something like that. Click on this bastard and press Ctrl D, select the back of it and snap it here. Change the position of it. Left click, right click, escape. I'm just going to create a line, do a C, left click, right click. Here we have it. Take this part, delete that as well. And now just take this bad boy, drop him here. And that's how we basically work with live mirror. That's all you need to know. You can create anything and just have fun. Create all sorts of cool things. Look at that. Look at the possibilities. Beautiful. And when you finally done, you can just select everything and apply instances. Or if you're not sure about things that you actually want, just Shift D the whole group, call it copy, and hide it. And now click this thing, you just drop F, realize instances. Boom. Here you have it. Everything is beautiful and can be edited separately. You can just press QQ and merge them and make the one big cool thing. But what if I only want this screen to be applied and everything else remain as an instance? I will take my screen, I will drop it out of the group, and I will use the Alt-X command, make it mirrored, and apply it like that. Here we have it. So we have this thing as an instance inside of a group. We have this thing as a separate object, and we have this big part as an instance as well. So think about it like including and excluding parts from mirror. So when I drop it out, it's excluded. When I drop it in, it's included. And when I apply it, it just becomes the mesh and you can merge it. So I hope this little explanation helped you and you will go and create beautiful, beautiful 3D meshes. So hope you are doing well. Bye.